Hello everyone. In this video, we will write a Python program to convert decimal number to binary and octal and hexadecimal. First, we will define variable num decimal equal int input. We will use input function to receive the number from the screen. Input enter the number. Here we will use int function. Int function convert the number which entered from string format to integer format. And we'll define function, we'll define variable num binary equal function bin and pass the decimal number which we defined here. Decimal number here. Bin function will convert a decimal number to binary number. And we will print text binary number equal comma num binary. And we will define variable num octal equal oct function and pass num decimal. Num decimal and print octal number equal comma num octal which we defined here, and we will define variable num hexadecimal equal hex num decimal. This function hex will convert the decimal number to hexadecimal number, and we will print hexadecimal number equal num hex. I have to put here for text and close the print statement, and we will run the program. enter the number decimal 2 and enter the binary number for 2 1 0 and the octal number for 2 is 2 and hexadecimal number for 2 2. This for binary and this for octal and this for hexadecimal. We will try another number on Python. Decimal number 10 in binary format 1010, in octal format 12, in hexadecimal A. Hexadecimal start from 0 up to 9 and 10 is A, P, C, D, E, F. We'll try another number. 200, it's a decimal number, and this is the binary number for 200, and this is the octal number for 200 decimal, and this is the hexadecimal number for 200 in decimal format. We can make some change in this program. We can add this code in a function. We will define function with def keyword function 1 with parameter num decimal. We have to press tab here because we have to leave at least 4 spaces. And we will call the function 1 and pass parameter num decimal, and when we run the program, run Python, enter number 300, it's the same result. The program is working, but we use function.
Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in next video.